Hey folks, today changing it up, doing something random, hence the title. I'm going to do an unboxing video of a TrueNAS Mini R. Haven't really seen much of it on YouTube, and I just got a new one because I'm doing a NAS replacement here. So let's see what we're going to dig into here. If it's anything like other stuff I've seen coming from IX Systems, it's packed pretty well. Let's see, what all do we have here? All right. Very nice. The included shorter rack rails. They're nice and heavy. That's good. Good news. And we've got a box. Let's see what we've got in it. Power cord. Keys. 2 patch cables. Box of various hardware. Looks like for some hard drives. Some rubber feet if you're gonna put it on a desk or something. And a couple little adhesive tie wrap. Well, let's see what's in there. What is that? Well, let's take a peek. A nice printed setup guide. That's awesome. Like it. Passcode notice. IPMI. Awesome. Looks like very nice colored glossy printed manual. Of course, if you had some hard drive shipping with it, nice, very nice high quality stuff. Lots more for hard drives. Obviously, I ordered it diskless, so I have discs already that I want to put in there. All right. What do we got here? Our bezel. Plastic screen. It's not as high end as like a Dell PowerEdge rack mount server or something that where it's a nice cast metal, but that's okay. I also didn't pay $10,000 or $20,000 for this Mini R. So for the price point, more than adequate. It's nice that it even comes with a bezel. Okay, this is going to be the hard part. This is going to be heavy. Let's see. Nice, they even put plastic on those. It's kind of nice. Mostly plastic hard drive trays. It is a type of metal here. That's okay. Again, for the price point, getting a 12 bay NAS for 3.5-inch drives is pretty awesome. So you can see We've got 12 across the front. Little power button here. Some indicator LEDs here. Nice. Let's take a look. What we have in the back here. So we've got single power supply, out of band management, two 10 gig RJ45, two USB, and a VGA. Over here, it looks like another USB 3 by the color. So that's all right. And then we've got low profile covers here, but there is actually only one bay, but we'll dig into that here. So let's take a look here and see what she looks like under the hood. Oh, it has a couple screws in it here. I can take care of that in a hurry. Screwdriver in. That slides nicely. Good quality case. All right, there's all our back plane for our SATA hard drives. Got a connector there. 3 fans. You can see here, 1 expansion port. Everything looks nice. Got a couple of memory slots. This is a 32 gig, so those should be 216s. We've got a WD Blue NVMe drive there. And SN570. Cool. I like it. Pretty simple. You know, the only thing that would concern me if we're doing anything important is get a power supply for on the shelf just in case. And outside of that, I think that's the only thing that really bothers me. I think I'll end up putting in a 10 gig SFP to connect it into my network, and she should be good to go. That's excellent. We're looking forward to it. So I did also order the longer rack rail kit. I've got a pretty deep rack. Measuring, it was just outside of the short rail kit that it comes with. But we'll see. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of reconfiguring of my 42U rack. Probably won't film most of it, but we will film putting this into the rack, loading the hard drives, getting it started up for the first time. All right, well, we'll leave you with some pan over shots of the TrueNAS Mini R. Feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Definitely have lots of technology that we can go through. And yes, don't worry, I will be changing passwords right away. So by the time you see this, any passwords that you might have seen on stickers will be long gone. All right, folks, we'll talk to you later.